Obedience really at the end of the day is just one long series of silly pet tricks. With offering, they can choose. So I'm going to use an offering cue. You can pick whatever word you want. I say what can you do? And then my dog can choose. They can give me whatever trick or behavior they feel like. It's their choice, right? Whatever they pick is correct. They're not wrong. I'm helping him be right here.
Sit. Oops. Sit. Bounce. Yes.
Okay, so coming up and sitting is just mixed in with bouncing and touching. So to him, it's just a trick. I don't immediately put it in the full chain, right? I kind of break the chain down like I did when I originally taught the chain, and I just add the new behavior in, making sure the new behavior meets my criteria. If it doesn't, then maybe I need more time working on it as a trick.